what's up everyone? This is Shane, and I go by the Rise and Grind Picker on YouTube, and I'm a six-figure reseller, and I'm in my eBay warehouse trying to come up with this video to really portray what I want to tell you. When you think of yard sales and yard selling for profit, you really think of negotiation skills and how good you are at negotiating and finding these hidden deals just at people's yard sales. They put it out there for sale. They really don't know what it's worth, and you kind of have an idea and you're trying to negotiate on that factor. What I'm going to do is show you yard selling content from my channel from the first yard sale video on YouTube, and it's going to progress to newer yard sale videos, and you can see as a viewer how my negotiation skills have actually changed.
Rusty and old, silver and gold, off and anybody will go at the auction. He buying the whole show. That's just how the life of a picker goes. On a repost, ain't no one knows like Big Shane. He on the tube, educate your brain, give you a free game.
At the end of this video, I'm going to explain why your negotiation skills as an experienced picker changes versus when it doesn't. And I'm also going to kind of break a few myths of, well, you're a low baller. And I'm going to kind of explain why you're not. Stay tuned.
Those plates right there.
Major. Sorry.
All right.
I just got a bunch of free stuff from a yard sale. I got there and there were books, and I got there while they're closing down, and I asked, how much are your books? And they said free. I also got a bunch of other cheap stuff from them that was really awesome. And I got some, I can do a haul at the end of this video, and that's probably what I'll do, is just do a haul at the end of the video. But I'm going to pop my trunk, and I'm going to show you guys what I got for free. Wow. So from that yard sale, I got a bunch of this It Works stuff for 50 cents. This sells for about $23 a bottle. And I got some It Works cleanser. I might use that myself. But the free stuff is right here. All these books for free. Now, you might say, how can free books be worth money? But I'm going to show you right now. Give me a second here. Some of these are getting bent up, and I want to keep them in good condition. So check this out. Free book. Boom. Profit. I got to keep these in good condition, guys. Don't want them to get all messed up. Another free book right here. Wowza. That's only $5, but it's free, so I can't really complain. This one I think really surprised me. And they're all pretty much textbooks too, so boom, $45 in profit. I want to keep that extra good. This is a good one too, I think. 58 in profit. 58. Pow. What is this? Computer networking. Trying to keep all these books in good condition. It's kind of hard to do. And I got 2 more for free. Pow. $10 in profit.
They have to be girl owls, boy owls. I got a box of Teddy Ruxpin clothes over here too.
Okay.
And don't pay attention to those tickets.
Okay. All right.
Teddy.
Oh, excuse me.
Hey, just don't pay attention to the tags. Yeah, get rid of it. I did too, and I would use it if I could remember where I put it. All right.
How much for the 3 and the box of clothes?
What do you give me that? What do you give me?
$5.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
All right, here's our $2. Okay.
All right. Here's this. Dude, I know, but I don't have nothing to test them either.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So in this clip, I'm really trying. I knew there was value there. I knew this item sold for money. And taxidermy items, in my experience, are really good money. So I knew there was value in this item. And these are just some of the weird things you have to know when you're trying to make money at yard sales, because you have to learn absolutely everything to really make the most money possible. And I'm really looking at the condition, making sure it's not really cracked.
The other one was like way better, you know what I mean? Because I think I could probably, I mean, it's going to be a while to sell. I think I could probably get 400 to 500.
I mean, that other one was fucked up too.
Yeah.
I don't know you said.
Well, about 140
You got cash on you?
cash money. Yeah.
I'll go 140.
All right. Go ahead and count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 40. Okay.
All right. Good. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
You finally get rid of it?
Yeah, $250.
Yeah.
All right. You ready? Let's take this back to the car and hit some more.
In other words, you
Yeah.
pick out what you want. I'll give you a little bit.
Okay.
So he sticks it in the shed real quick.
What would you do for all of them?
For all of them?
Yeah, for all of them. Not those, just the trolls.
Just the trolls?
Yeah, just the trolls. What are you thinking?
Oh, I never thought about that.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you said you'd give me a good deal, so with all of them, like if I just took all of them off your hands, what price would you be at? And maybe we can negotiate from there.
That was a tough question. I never thought about that. Holy cow. I'm coming.
All right, yeah, take your time, no worries. I have all day.
Never count your money in public. Okay, well, it's okay. You don't have to spend it right now. Just if
What do you think?
go around the block, and if you see anything, you can buy it. If you don't
Salt?
see anything,
What do you think?
no, don't
What do you think?
For all of them.
See if you come close to it. I'll take it. It's up to you.
50 bucks.
That's a hell of a deal.
Oh yeah, that's a decent amount. Yeah, I wouldn't be able to do that, but I could do probably 50 or 60. But it's up to you. All right,
There it is.
all right, all right. Yeah, no problem.
I did tell you, I give you a hell of a deal.
I know. What's the verdict?
Verdict is, she said $75.
75.
For all. That's a deal for you.
It's a deal. I'll have to pass on that though. 75 is a little too high. So I do a lot of reselling online. So that's
Oh, do you?
virtually what I'm looking for them for. And 75 is a little bit too out of my range. But I appreciate it, man.
How
So
high could you go?
probably 50 to 60. Yeah, it's
Six-
about most.
$60.
60
go ahead.
bucks?
Take them.
All right, awesome.
You'll make up. Big time. $60 is fine.
All right, 60
All
bucks.
right, thanks.
I appreciate it.
I don't want to mess with them anymore. Hold on, I got a bag you can put on.
Oh, that would be awesome. Yeah, I mean, I could. Yeah, I appreciate that.
So I'm going to address what I was going to address and what I told you I was going to address at the beginning of the video, and that is sellers being called low ballers. And let me explain that first off. In this TikTok message right here, you're going to see someone call me a low baller on a video where I was negotiating. And this was just a common negotiation video. Wasn't really lowballing. I actually ended up paying $1,200 for everything. And it was a lot of clothing, but a lot of it I actually threw away. And it went viral on TikTok. And basically, I got a lot of comments about being a lowballer. And I just, basically they're right here if you want to look at them. Well, I just want to address this. When you resell, you are trying to do a deal for items or an item. And the market really dictates what your items are worth. So when I list a t-shirt up on eBay, and let's say it is a vintage Vespa t-shirt, and I said that because I have one laying right over there. Maybe I price it at $100. All right, if it sits on eBay for 4 months and no one pays $100 and someone offers me $50, I am going to accept that offer of $50, but the market on that t-shirt looks to be $50. So if I list another one up, maybe I would list it up for $69.99 to see if I could get that price. So the market is going to dictate what you buy. Another example is like this packing tape. If I buy a 20 pack on eBay and it's $80, everyone is probably going to be selling the same 20 pack for around $80 because it's tape. I mean, you really can't make it pizzazz. Vintage items are a little different, like the vintage t-shirt is a little different, but more common items like the Sure tape are going to be sold at a pinpointed price versus vintage items that are unique you could get more money for. Even doing retail arbitrage videos for years, I realize I was called a scalper millions of times. People ask if this was legal or illegal because reselling is you're buying it low and selling it at a higher price. And it could be a very significant higher price, even 1,000% more, because that's what the market dictates your item is worth. So the truth about yard selling profits, can it be done? Absolutely. I have gotten a lot of great yard sale scores. Even on the videos in this video, I have been called a scalper or a lowballer. And yeah, some of the offers may have seemed a little low. So as you've seen in these videos on these yard sales, I've even been called a scalper or a lowballer on these. And it's simply just, that's the truth in reselling, is you have to make enough money on the item to make it worth it. I feel like if I was going to buy a $100 item and I paid $80 for it, $20 probably wouldn't really be worth it because you have fees on top of that. And, I do promoted listings. So, I'm paying the 11 to 12% to eBay. I'm paying, a percentage to promote my listings, and I'm paying to ship the item to you. And I also have a warehouse, and I have overhead and bills for the warehouse.